Hello YouTube. This is a little toy that my stepdad got. It's new. It's a 20-inch cordless lawnmower from HOMELITE, and I think it's a 24 volt or 21 volt battery. What I'm gonna do is just show it, and then after start it up a little bit, we'll start it up and show you how it is and how it works and stuff like that. I'm going to show you the battery. This is the battery right here. That's the battery. Oh, it's 24 volt. And it's a 20 amp hour. It's a cordless. I guess that means I could run 20 hours? I don't know what it means. Yeah, I really hate this thing because a little drop of water, I guess, will fry it. And if you go to Home Hardware, and if you have a 4-stroke or 2-stroke or just a lawnmower, normal lawnmower, and trade it in, you'll get so much money back for one of these thingies. But I live in Ontario, so I'm not sure that's the same thing around. But to start it, you can do something like this. It shows you right here how to do it. Take your key. There's a key right here. It's a key. You stick the key in here, and that, I guess, sends like electrical charge, whatever, in here. You push this so you can pull the lever, and when you pull back, you hear a click, and then it'll start. So I'm going to show you how it sounds like when it starts. And there's no speed. It's one speed. Just once you pull that out, it goes click and it starts. I'm going to show you, right? He's in. Yeah, so that's apparently it. Sounds like a big ass fan to me. That's apparently it. The 20-inch blade. If you want to take a closer look, anybody wants to keep on watching this video, I'll be taking this off my iPod there and showing you guys. Yeah. So that's the. So it's a HOMELITE 20-inch cordless lawnmower. Yep. So thanks for watching. And this is good for the environment, and it runs on a big ass battery. Just before I turn it off, it took 15 hours to recharge that battery. Yeah. Oh, okay, I'll show you how the blade looks like. If anybody wants to know how the blade looks like, I guess I could show you guys. Show you how it looks like under. Okay. Over here. So thanks for watching.